Hey, it's Tony here with RandomLikes. I'm out in the shop today. It's winter time, and I've been doing a lot of cleaning out here and ready to get some lights up in the shop. So I ordered some on Amazon. They were good reviews and they were very reasonably priced. Believe it or not, in this box there's 8 LED shop lights. And so I'm gonna go ahead and take the box out and open it up. I'm gonna lay all the stuff out here on the table so you can see what it came with. And we'll hang some lights up, show you the different features that they have, different ways of mounting them, hanging them, and then also providing electricity to them, whether it be through an outlet or hardwire. So let's go ahead and take a look at them, and I will get them all set up here, and then we'll show you what it came with. Well, the box is very heavily packaged, as you can see here, and it's really dense foam to hold them all together. Foam here, and there you go. You see here's the box, so I'm gonna lay all these accessories out on the table. So here's what it came with. It came with 8 lights that are all LED, 2 strips of LEDs. Each end has a 3-prong piece on it here for the electrical. I'll show you what the mounting brackets for those are here in a second. You can plug them in either side. They work either way. Really easy. It's really well packaged. Heavy duty cardboard. It came with 8 bags. In each bag came these. They came with some wall anchors, little eyelets. These are small screws, a cap for the end that you're not using, an adapter piece if you want to use that. It's got copper on the inside. It's kind of hard to see there. And then some screws, some metal to hang it from, and these little brackets. And these little brackets just clip on the back side, and then you can screw these straight to the wall and then clip them on. What I would equate it to is they're kind of similar to if you ever hung a window blind with little snap-in ones. They just snap right in there. That's what I'll be using today. But it comes with a lot of hardware, and that was most impressive to me. So you have lots of different options when you're hanging the lights. So if you want to hang them from a ceiling, you want to hang them from just straight into some sheetrock, whatever your choice is. Then next we have the wiring it came with itself. It comes with 4 plugs, 4 switches. As you can see, all of them have that 3-prong. You just plug it right into the light, and then you can turn off up to 4 lights individually. There is 8 lights in there. It did only come with 4 switches, so if you did want to set those up all on individual circuits, you wouldn't be able to do that. What you can use is you can pigtail them, which is they came with 6 of these. So you just plug them into each other and run them. And these, of course, each have the end on it, which is what I did. And then it also came with, if you want to hardwire them, so it's got, you just plug that into the light, and then you can hardwire that directly into the electrical. So I'm not going to use those. Theoretically, you could use these for a pigtail as well if you wanted to. Putting 2 of these together, it's really whatever you want. But it does come with a lot of hardware. I'll have a lot left over, put them in a box in case I ever need them. But all in all, I was really impressed with the amount of hardware it came to hook them up and set them up. So I'll definitely, if I don't use them for these lights, they definitely will not go to waste and get used later. So let's take a look at what they look like. I'll show you what I'm doing for each one, how I'm hanging them, and then we'll look at a couple different options for hanging them as well. Okay, so what I did was I hardwired them into the ceiling. I put a couple outlets previously and just put a switch on one end, and then I ran them along my wood frame here, and we're gonna come up here and we're gonna attach this one. I'll show you how I attached it. All right, so you can see here, I just got these little clips, 2 of them here, and you just snap the plug in. So you just slide them in like that, and then they snap in. Pretty simple. And if you don't like the exact position, You can move them. Once you snap them in, all you gotta do is just plug the other end right into there. Sorry for the camera work, trying to hold the camera. And there you go, they're connected. So another way you can hang the lights is you can use these wires that came on here, which I'm gonna use in the front of my shop. It's got a little set screw. You just put through there like so. And then I'll see if I can get these started here. They seem to be giving me some trouble. And then just tighten them down. Once it's tight, you can clip it on the light like so. And then what you can do is you can hang it. And I'm dropping stuff here. And then you got a light you can hang, which I'm going to do in the front of my shop. So I'm going to get a couple more of these set up and then I'll show you how I hang them. So you can see I added the clip here and the wire. And then I used the eye bolts that it came with and attached it up here. I will say that's one bad thing I don't like about it, is most of them come with chains and it leaves you room for adjustment. But this will work for me. So if that won't work for you, you may have to come up with a different strategy. I could have put this a little higher, but I wanted to have room around it. So there you go. Well, I think all in all, they turned out pretty nice, especially for the price point, as so many things I purchased on Amazon are. I really like the way they turned out. It's gonna help me get through the dark days of winter and be able to work out in my shop a little bit more, make some more videos for you guys. If you got any questions, be sure to drop them in the comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching.